What's going on, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have Luna. Luna moved exactly how we wanted past week, okay? Or as you see, this is the day that we managed to make a video about this. It was on 17th of April. They made a prediction move exactly how we wanted, as you see. Never actually broken through the high, but it just mitigated the 100% of this demand area and just continued higher, okay? As you see, we kind of had them marked up. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, that said, we have this out of the way. We now understand that this is also like distributing right now, so we could be seeing those bearishness to come and take a place. But from there on, maybe from around this area, you could also look for some bullishness. Okay, but either way, I'm going to be keeping you updated. Have a wonderful day. Peace out. Goodbye. That's about it for the video. Again, I'm not financial advisor. This is just my own personal opinion and my idea. There are three valuable links in the description down below for those of you who did manage to stick to right around the end. Peace out and goodbye.